Welcome to this NewTechWood installation guide for horizontal flat siding. In this video, we will show you how to properly install the UH67, US31, and Shou Sugi band profiles using the AW26 clip system to achieve a durable, aesthetic result that meets NewTechWood Canada standards. Before you begin, Before starting, take a moment to properly plan your project. Check local building codes, as certain provinces have their own requirements for exterior cladding. Also, ensure you never install a damaged board. It would not be covered by the warranty. Store your products flat in a dry area and away from direct sunlight or moisture. Finally, verify that your surface is flat, solid, and perfectly level. Tools and material required. Before you start, make sure you have the right materials. CS 100 stainless steel screws. Number 8 stainless steel screws, 1 1/4 inch. Number 5 stainless steel screws, 1/2 inch. A W26 clips. A W24 double clips for specific sections. T7 spacers. A W02 starter strip. Wear your safety equipment, gloves, goggles, long sleeves, and protective masks. Use your usual woodworking tools, but always with a new carbide-tipped blade for clean, precise cuts. Wall preparation and structure. The siding must never be installed directly onto a solid wall. First, install wood or aluminum furring strips at a maximum spacing of 16 inches center to center. When installed as a soffit or ceiling, the maximum spacing is 12 inches. This ensures proper ventilation and adequate moisture drainage. Take the time to properly align and level your furring strips. This is the foundation of a successful installation. Trim installation. Begin by installing the following trims: US 47 for inside corners, US 46 for outside corners, US 44 for ends and finishing, and US 45 for transitions where required. Fix them securely to the furring strips, ensuring they are straight and well aligned. Pre-drill the fastening holes for the boards. These holes should be larger than the screw shank, but smaller than the head to reduce tension on the board during expansion and contraction. Always leave a minimum gap of 3/4 inch, 20 millimeters, between the trim and the ground to allow for proper water drainage. Starter strip installation. Next, install the AW02 starter strip or use AW26 clips at the bottom of the furring strips, depending on the wall configuration. Always pre-drill the holes, then secure the starter strip using stainless steel screws. Board installation key principle. Place the first board onto the starter strip and secure it using the AW26 clips. Use one clip on every furring strip. A crucial point in horizontal installation is that each board must be locked at only one location to allow for the material's expansion and contraction. In horizontal installations, the AW26 clip to be locked must be the one located in the middle of the board. Use a number 5 stainless steel screw after pre-drilling the hole. Never lock more than one AW26 clip on the same board. Butt joints and transitions. When two boards meet end-to-end, use an AW24 double clip or a US 45 transition trim and lock each board to prevent the joint to open. Joints must always be centered on a furring strip. Never join more than 2 boards on the same line, and do not attach any other AW26 clips to a board that features a butt joint. Always respect the expansion gaps according to the recommended installation temperature. Installation progress. Continue the installation board by board, regularly checking the level and alignment. A slight variation between boards is normal. A tolerance of plus or minus 1.5 millimeters, 1/16 inch, is acceptable. For optimal results, it is recommended to start from the most visible corners and progress toward less exposed areas. This helps hide cuts and ensures an impeccable visual finish. Last boards and top finishing. When you reach the last board, precisely measure the remaining space and cut the board to the correct dimension. Secure the last board with CS 100 screws by pre-drilling the board. The hole must be larger than the screw, but smaller than the head. Install T7 spacers if necessary, then face fix the board according to the recommendations. To finalize the top of the wall, 2 options are available. Install a US 44 finishing trim, adapting it to clear the spacer, or install a metal flashing for maximum moisture protection. Final result. Once the installation is complete, you will have a straight, uniform, well-ventilated, and durable cladding. The UH67, US31, and Shou Sugi band profiles all install using the same horizontal method with AW26 clips, offering a high-end finish and excellent longevity. Thank you for following this NewTechWood Canada installation guide, and enjoy your installation.